Pinagkalooban ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ng executive clemency si dating Iloilo Mayor Jed Mabilog na minsan ang tinawag na drug lord ng nakaraang Duterte administration. Narito ang agenda report ni Pierre Pastor.
Sa isang resolusyon na pirmado ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, nakasaad na nagawaran ng executive clemency si Jed Mabilog dahil maganda ang kanyang track record bilang mayor ng Iloilo. Nakatanggap daw ng mga award at pagkilala ang Iloilo sa ilalim ng kanyang pamumuno.
The President decided to grant the request of former Mayor of Iloilo City, Jed Mabilog, because he pleaded that his liabilities or disabilities under that decision of the Ombudsman should be expunged.
Dahil sa executive clemency, maaalis na ang mga parusang administratibo laban kay Mabilog. Nahatulang guilty at natanggal sa pwesto si Mabilog noong October 2017 dahil sa pangingialam umano sa paggawad ng kontrata sa isang pribadong kumpanya na natuklasang may kaugnayan sa kanya. Meron din daw unexplained wealth si Mabilog. 2017 din nang pumunta sa Amerika si Mabilog at ang kanyang pamilya matapos siyang maisama sa tinaguriang narco list ni former President Rodrigo Duterte. Ayon kay Bersamin, hindi nakapagpaliwanag agad si Mabilog dahil napilitan siyang mangibang bansa.
Because he was forced by circumstances to go to another jurisdiction and to stay away from the Philippines for some time. And we found justification in his declarations, in his explanations. He was forced to leave the country because of a threat on his life that he perceived to be coming from the national leadership at the time. President Duterte accused him of being the drug lord in Iloilo City. Whether that is true or not is irrelevant now.
Bumalik sa bansa si Mabilog noong September 2024. Ngayon, dahil sa executive clemency, maaari na ulit siyang tumakbo sa anumang posisyon sa gobyerno. Para sa agenda, Pierre Pastor, Billionaire News Channel.